welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. I hope you had a lovely Christmas. So today I have a after Christmas sale haul for you. I stopped at 5 different stores. They were Hobby Lobby, GoodWill, of course, TJMaxx, Home Goods, and the Dollar Tree. So with that being said, let's get this video started. The first place that I stopped at was at Hobby Lobby. So let me start. First, I'm going to put these on so I can see better. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you are these pop sticks. These are going to be for my fake bake, of course. And I can not only use them for Christmas, but I can also use them for Valentine's Day. That is the next holiday is coming up. So I picked those up. Original price was $4, and at 66% off, I got them for $1.36. Then I also picked these rubber Stanley little stands. I love decorating my home with these. Also, they were for $3.99, and I got them for $1.36 each. This right here, I saw it and I quickly picked it up. I believe there was only 2 left. So this as well, $4 and $1.36. And I think there's 4 that come to the set. Well, they sell them separately, but I'm not sure, but I believe there is 4 of them. So anyway, I picked up this baker's round tip. So that I believe was for 50% off, and I got it for $1. Regular price was $2. The next thing, now this I had purchased it earlier in the beginning of the December, but at that time it was for 40% off, and when I brought it home I really didn't like how it looked in my display. I decided to take it back. The first time I paid $18. This time because I waited, for 66% off, I wound up paying only about $10.20, and I think this is pretty. I also love decorating my my home with these. I picked up this fake fruit. I love that it has slices of oranges in there. This year I wasn't able to cut any fresh and bake them in my oven, but I saw these and I just went ahead and picked them up. They also have some cinnamon sticks and some berries, and the original price was for $12, and I believe I got this for $4. I picked up some greenery as well. Now the good thing about this is that not only are they also good for Christmas decoration, but also for winter. And these, their original price were for $3, and yes, $3. And I got, let me see, 6 of these. Okay. And then I also picked up these. I picked up 2 of these. Now these were at 50% off. And these, not only are they good to decorate through the fall, also winter, and I love berries. And I like that they look more realistic than the fake ones. Every time I buy flowers, I always try to buy them. Even though they cost a little bit more, but I try to buy the ones that look more realistic. So these were for $8 original price, but 50% off. Of course, I got $4 each, so I only picked up 2. And then these right here, I got 6 of these, and the price of these were for $6. And these as well, they're real, which is another thing that I like. Okay, so the last thing I got from Hobby Lobby was this fabric paint. I picked up a red glitter, and I love how there's little sparkles in there. Sparkling. I picked up the black, solid black, and then this blue. It's a blueberry, and got them for 40% off. Now when I went up to the register, the cashier rang them at regular price because apparently they were not on sale. It looks like one of the employees forgot to take down the sign, but the manager was nice enough to honor the 40%. So I thought that was pretty cool of him to do so. Okay, so that is the last of Hobby Lobby. So now let me show you what I got from Home Goods. What am I doing? I totally forgot that I also picked up some wrapping paper. This was marked at $10. and I got it for 66% off as well. And so I only paid $3.44 for this. I really love the print on it. So I'm thinking about using this not for wrapping, if not for a project that I have coming for Valentine's. So yes, now give me a minute. I'm going to try to clear all of this off my table, and then we'll start with later. Not a minute. Okay, so now TJMaxx and Home Goods, so pretty much the same thing. So I'm gonna go with first Home Goods and then TJMaxx. Now, of course, they're already bringing out some Valentine's stuff. I did notice that some Home Goods, because I actually went to 2 different Home Goods, and I did notice that one had more than the other. So I saw these and I thought they were really cute, you know, and for my fake bake. And these original price was $5. Now, I don't know if they have done it in the past or not, but when I went into Home Goods and TJMaxx, I noticed that they were both selling their Christmas stuff at 50% off. So I don't know if they've been doing that before, but this is the first time I noticed it. So when I saw that, I was like, let's start picking some stuff up. Okay, and then I saw these, I fell in love with this. I thought they were gorgeous. These are little ornaments, and I love that they had like a little heart in there and pine cones, and I love the colors in them. And this was, the original price was $12, and well, $12.99, and of course 50% off of that. So I thought this was really nice. And then I also saw some pine cone string lights, and these were original price was for $10, and of course 50% off of these right here. And can't wait to decorate my Christmas tree next year with those. And I saw this little guy, and I was like, oh goodness, gotta grab him. Now he was $2, so I don't know why he had the red sticker on them, and it's the only thing that I believe that I found with the red sticker. Don't know what that means. You know, it was still 50% off, because when I peeled it off, the original price was $4. So I kind of curious, why would it have a sticker on there? I mean, what is, anyway. And so I thought he was really cute. Grabbed him for my, I saw this candle, and oh my god, smells like candy cane, and it has my initial, the M, so I grabbed that, and original price was $8. I grabbed this for $4. Oh my gosh, that smells so nice. And I also picked up some marshmallows. I love marshmallows, for anyone that does not know that. And these were for $4. I like that they were like little hearts in them. Yes, I know they're usually meant, well, a lot of people put them in their hot cocoa, and I don't drink cocoa, but that's okay, because I can just eat them by themselves. Okay. Oh, and then I also found another marshmallows. So yes, I'm going to be pretty much wired when I start eating these. Now these are a non-fat, I mean not non-fat, I'm sorry, and no GMOs, so that's pretty good. And it says low calories. And anyway, these original price were for $4, and got those as well. Okay, oh, and I believe these were Christmas, so it was actually, yeah, 50% off of that. And now this is not Christmas, this was Valentine's. Well, not really Valentine's, I just love, because it's pink, and since Valentine is coming up, it'll be nice to decorate with this. And original price was for, oh, I don't know if you can see that, $8.99. So, and this is actually made in Portugal. So I thought that was pretty. And it's light pink. And the next thing, when I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I was like, I must have it. And I don't know why, but I feel like I already have one. But if I do, that's okay if I have two. And I just couldn't resist. So aren't these adorable? They're like so cute. So two little frogs. Here, let me take that off. You can see it better. They look like they're just dancing. He's not. Anyway, so, and but they were for $8, so I just thought they were so cute. I was like, oh my god, so adorable. And the very last thing that I got at Home Goods was this runner. When I saw it from a distance, I fell in love with it right away because I love the print on it. It kind of gives me that almost Victorian looking print. And I believe I paid $15, yes, $15 for it. So I'm still trying to decide where I want to put it at, if I'm going to put it in the hallway or perhaps in my bathroom, but I'm not just sure just yet. So still have to decide. And on the other side, actually on the back side, there's nothing. So in case I do not want to do the print, I can always go with the back side, which is just like a light tan beige looking color to it. Right, and that's the last thing that I found at Home Goods. TJMaxx, like I said, they also sell the same thing, but I didn't grab much from there. I got this season greeting. I don't know if you can see that. So maybe. Okay, and this was only for $1. Original price was $2. And then I found these right here, and these are ornaments, like little beads, and these are, I'm going to put them on my white Christmas tree now that I can decorate. And these were for $6, and there's the price there. So I also picked up some Ray Dunn cupcake holders, cups, I guess, and they're for $5. Oh, I'm sorry. And that's for my fake bake. And it says Amor en Love on the other. And then the last thing that I got from them were some more cups for my coffee, because I love these, because when I take these, I don't have to worry about when I, you know, rinsing it out my mug or whatever, so I just toss these out. But these are actually pretty good. And I do go through these quite a few. Okay, so now we are going to start the Dollar Tree. They were just getting some stuff out from the store that I stopped at. So what I was able to pick up are these hearts. Really jumbo. Yeah, they're jumbo hearts, obviously, duh. And I only picked up 3. I did not want to, you know, get more than what I thought I was going to use. These, I think these were really, really pretty. They come in red and this color as well. It looked like they had a white, but I only thought that maybe they did have a white because I saw some of this stuff in there. Now, what I do notice is that this little glitter, it's like it falls off really easily. So picked up 3 of these right here, and then I picked up just this right here. Now these I'm gonna put them on my Christmas tree, or my Valentine's tree, not Christmas tree. And then these also, I'm thinking about doing that as well. And then I picked up some hearts here. These are the ones with the Valentine's, that they have the little message on them. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to really do that with these. I do have some others that are just plain, so maybe I'll just use those instead. I also picked up these roses ones. I thought these were really pretty. And then these little hearts as well. I picked up as well these little hearts. You know, these are pink. Now these are going to be for the tree in my craft room. Oh, here they are. So I'm already starting on these, painting these, so that's why they're not in the package. But these are the solid ones that I'm going to be doing those little message. So some of these right here, and then these are going to be great for the cupcakes, or like an ice cream, fake ice cream scoop in there. And I saw these right here, and I was like, oh, gotta have them. Little heart straws. I have some Easter bunny straws, and I saw these, I was like, these are perfect. You know what, I don't know if they make Christmas. If you've seen those, leave me a message. You know, I would like to know that they do exist. I saw these little containers. Now these containers, I'm going to use some for my like sprinkles, you know, fake candies and stuff like that, so I can store them in here. And they have little messages in there like sweet for love, or oh, anyway, I can't. Maybe if I open the package, I can see them better. Anyway, so this way I know that they're for Christmas. I also picked up quite a few of these stickers. Now these I'm going to use some in my fake bake. It won't be hard sticking them on there. And then I found some of these right here, and these will actually be pretty good if you were to do like a cake or something, and then you can use this as the border around the cake. So I think that's pretty neat. Now I did pick up this edible sprinkles, but I'm going to use them on my fake bake. I'm gonna try it to see how they work. I'm going to spray some adhesive on them and see if what happens to it, because I did try the adhesive spray on just a little dab on the, oh my goodness, what is it called? Spackle. And what I did notice is like on the outside it was very soft, but when I lift it up, it's like in the inside you can see that it felt like it was hard. Instead, I picked up, I only got 3. I wish I could find the ones with the little hearts. I think those would have been nice. Birdhouse. Thought that was nice because I've been looking for one. And then last but not least, the only reason I picked these up because they remind me of my mom. My mom used to always buy these, and she would just give one to each one of us. And it's the only reason why I got them. Like I said, they just remind me of my mom, so I just thought I had to pick them up. Anyway, so that's what I got from the Dollar Tree. So it's not as bad as I thought I did, because I had all of these things in a basket, and that basket looked like it was about to just explode on me. Okay, so the last stop was the GoodWill. Now I didn't find much there. They were at, everything was 40% off. Everything donated was 40% off. I just found 4 items. The first thing I found was this basket here. I love the way it's built. This is the type of basket that I always try to buy because of the wire and because they're very sturdy. And if you know me, I love my baskets. I love to decorate with baskets because you can do so much with them. I also found in the Christmas aisle, I found these ornaments. They were original price $3, but I got them for $1.02. And I love the colors in them. I love that they're teardrop. So those pretty, and also they're shattered proof, so that's pretty good. I also found this little guy. Now I love collecting little vintage Santas. And I believe I got him only for 50 cents, if I'm correct. So you can't beat that. And the last thing that I saw, that when I saw it, it said, it had actually Mackenzie Child all written all over it. So here's this little display stand. And it still has its original tag. Now it was for as well $4, but I got it for $1.03, I think, or something like that. And can't wait to paint this. So I thought this was pretty nice. So, and that's it. But before I go, I want to thank someone. Debbie, thank you so much for my tumblers. I love that it said, other than this pink, but I love that it says her story. So thank you so much, Debbie. More cups for me, for my coffee. And well, my friends, that is the end of my haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider it in subscribing. And until next time, my friends, stay safe, be kind. Bye.